If you're a finance professional, a founder managing your company's books, or someone trying to get the most out of your data, you don't need to learn Python, hire a data scientist, or spend weeks learning BI tools. Today, I'm breaking down 6 practical ways to use AI in your day-to-day financial work. From KPI discovery to data automation. These strategies are built for real use. And best of all, you don't need to write a single line of code. Let's dive in. 1. Let AI discover KPIs you didn't know you needed. Most finance teams focus on KPIs like total revenue, unit margins, and year-over-year growth. That's great, but what if you're missing out on better indicators of performance? AI can help you go beyond the basics. You can literally copy a small sample of your data, let's say product-level sales for a supermarket, and ask AI something like, the result? Traditional KPIs like revenue growth and unit price? Sure, but also lesser used metrics like promotion ROI, category contribution index, or even gross profit per square foot. AI won't just list these, it'll explain the reasoning, show formulas, and recommend the most suitable chart types. Imagine unlocking strategic insights from data you already have, in seconds. Try using different models. Some GPT versions respond better with a bit more time to process. I recommend letting the model think for a full minute. You'll get better depth, better structure, and far more valuable responses. 2. Use AI to build cohort analysis in under a minute. If you're in charge of retention metrics, churn analysis, or user behavior tracking, you need cohort analysis. But building one manually takes time, first by segmenting your users, then calculating how long they stayed, visualizing it across months, and formatting the result. Normally, that takes hours. With AI, just upload a basic transaction file, something with dates, customer IDs, and sales, and prompt. The model will automatically generate Python code, importing libraries like pandas and matplotlib, and output a chart showing how many users stayed over 3, 6, 12, or 24 months. You get clean data, repeatable code, a visual explanation of what's going on. Even if you don't want to upload data, you can copy the code and run it on your local machine. This isn't just time-saving, it's reproducible, transparent, and accurate. 3. Automate data cleaning with AI scripts. This one's a lifesaver. Finance teams deal with ugly spreadsheets all the time, broken headers, extra rows, multiple tabs. It's a nightmare. Let's say you've got credit card statements across multiple sheets, messy lines, and you only need columns C, D, and E. Instead of manually copying and pasting, ask AI. AI will return fully functional script code, even guiding you on how to paste it into the script editor in Google Sheets. Run it once, and boom, hours of manual work gone. And if you're worried about trust, just ask AI to explain the script line by line. You'll not only get your automation, you'll learn how it works. 4. Ask AI to surface blind spots you've overlooked. One of the most powerful prompts I've ever used is, it's like running an internal audit. AI might return questions like, what's your average time to first purchase? Which product has the highest lifetime value? Are there recurring tasks that could be automated? Do you know your real customer acquisition cost by region? You'll uncover gaps that aren't obvious, things you never tracked or thought to measure. This works brilliantly when onboarding at a new company, launching a new product line, or auditing a client's operations. Let AI think for you. It's like having a strategic advisor on demand. 5. Explore AI native tools to speed up your accounting. The next wave of finance tech isn't just about automation, it's about AI native platforms. These tools directly plug into systems like Stripe, Gusto, or your bank feeds, and automate your general ledger entries, month-end close, and dashboard generation. Instead of exporting CSVs, wrangling Excel, and cleaning totals, these platforms use AI too. Sync real-time data, auto-categorize expenses, suggest adjustments, generate customizable reports. You can even edit the text of your financial reports, just like editing a Google Doc. That's game-changing for small finance teams, startups, and solo operators. And if you're a traditional business? No problem. Many of these platforms also support QuickBooks, Xero, and other legacy systems. It's not about replacing your finance team. It's about giving them leverage. 6. Use AI to code custom API integrations, without knowing code. You don't need to be a developer to use APIs anymore. Let's say you want to automatically pull your profit and loss data from QuickBooks every month and generate a report. Just prompt. AI will find the latest API documentation, help you create a QuickBooks developer app, right, and explain the code guide you on how to use it securely. You end up with a simple, automated script that runs monthly, giving you data on demand. This works for CRMs like Salesforce, marketing tools like HubSpot, or even raw databases. If you can explain what you need, AI will show you how to build it. Closing, final thoughts plus CDA. So there you have it, 6 ways AI can upgrade your finance workflow. Discover KPIs. You didn't know you needed. Automate retention analysis, clean messy data in seconds, surface strategic blind spots, use AI native reporting tools and pull real-time data from APIs with no technical skills required. This is just scratching the surface. Want to go deeper? Stay tuned for free upcoming AI for Finance Starter Kit. It includes prompt templates, tool recommendations, use case library and tips to safely use AI in your company. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below which one of these 6 AI finance strategies are you most excited to try. See you in the next one.